Making $1 million in 1 year is a challenging goal that requires a combination of hard work, determination, and a bit of luck. Here are a few strategies that could potentially help you reach that goal. Starting a successful business. Starting a business from scratch and scaling it quickly could potentially lead to significant revenue in a short period of time. This could include creating a new product or service, franchising, or acquiring an existing business and growing it. Investing in real estate. Investing in real estate can be a great way to generate passive income and potentially earn a significant return on investment in a short period of time. Stock market investments. Investing in the stock market can also be a great way to generate significant returns in a short period of time, but it also carries a higher level of risk. Online business. Starting an online business, like an e-commerce or dropshipping store, can be a great way to reach a global market quickly and generate significant revenue in a short period of time. Selling a valuable service or a product. If you have a valuable service or product that you can sell, you could potentially generate significant revenue in a short period of time through sales and marketing efforts. It's important to note that these strategies are not a guarantee for success. Making $1 million in 1 year is not an easy task, and it will require a lot of hard work and dedication to make it happen. Additionally, it's important to seek professional advice before making any investment or business decisions. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn notifications on